This beautiful shrub next to me is called Deutzia Mont Rose. It blossoms between May and July, and these lovely clusters of star-shaped flowers are magnet for pollinators. In shades of white, pink or pale lilac, Mont Rose shrubs have stunning appearance in spring and are wonderful addition to any garden. They adapt beautifully to any landscape styles. Best time to plant Deutzia, like most deciduous shrubs, is spring or late fall. It usually takes 2-3 years to reach maturity, and once established, Mont Rose requires minimal care. It's perfect for busy gardeners like us. Just prune it in late winter or early spring and enjoy its stunning display of blossoms in spring. If your garden is on a slope like ours, Mont Rose is an excellent choice for erosion control. Its fibrous root system stabilizes the soil. Mont Rose is non-toxic to humans and pets, which makes it a safe choice for any garden. You know that we have a cat, so that's really important. Just plant it next to lavender to repel pests and you will have a thriving, healthy shrub.